let's try the guitar strum. I call it the guitar strum because so many of my guitar friends, and myself included as a guitar player, often revert to this particular strum pattern. But you can also think of it as an interesting hybrid between the thumb strum and the standard strum. So let's just take a look at it here. I'm going to mute the strings. And what I'm going to do is start with a thumb strum or just a light strum on just the top strings here, and then a nice full strum on the second beat. So thumb, strum, or a light strum, full strum. That's 1, 2. I'm going to skip the third beat. I mean, I'm not going to leave it out. I'm just not going to do anything on the third beat. And then I'm going to end the measure with an up, down on 4, up again, and then back to my thumb strum on 1. All right, so put together, it's 1, 2, 3, up, 4, up, 1, 2, 3, up, 4, up, 1, 2, 3, up, 4, up, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you're having trouble finding it from the get-go, you can try this with me. I'm just going to thumb strum to start, so I know that that's where I'm starting. Then what I'm going to do is leave out the thumb on beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So thumb, strum, strum, thumb, strum, 3, strum. And then I'm going to add those up strums around that last down strum. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, up, thumb, strum, pause, up, down, up, thumb, strum, pause, up, down, up, ba, ba, da, 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 da. Now you keep doing what you're doing. You might find that you just want to do the thumb strums and make sure you've got those down, meaning just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd recommend keeping your hand moving so you can still count that beat. Or maybe you just want to do the up strums at the end. Ba, 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 1, 2, 3, up, 4, and 1, 2, 3, up, 4, and 1, 2, right? You can do that. Practice just half of it at a time. Or you can find your way into it with me any way that works for you. We'll do it several more times here. Ba, 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 ba. Notice how it feels. Notice how it sounds. Close your eyes. That's a great way to open up your ears and connect with your strumming hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Couple more times. Pause right here. Yeah, nicely done. It's a little weird, but depending on how you organize it in your mind or work it with your hand, practice it a ton with me in this video or also on your own, you'll be on your way, and I think you'll find it's nice for those mid-range tempos where you want to have some movement to the song, but not too much driving force, right? But also not too much kind of laid back rhythm as well. Enjoy, and yeah, have some fun with this one.